At one of Kansas City's biggest violence prevention efforts, Murray Woodard will lead Combat.
Yeah, they generate up to $30 million each year to help fight what seems like a never-ending cycle. KCTV5's Gianni Navarro joins us live from outside the Jackson County Courthouse.
And Gianni, you had a chance to speak with Woodard and the prosecutor today. What are they saying?
Zach, Lauren, well, first off, Combat stands for Community-Backed Anti-Crime Tax. If you live in Jackson County, you pay for it. Woodard says he really wants to hear from the community so he knows where to put that money you mentioned in the right places. With violence prevention a top priority in Jackson County, leaders say Combat is more important than ever.
I felt both humbled and excited about the opportunity. How should Combat?
For Murray Woodard, stepping into this new role is personal. Born and raised in Kansas City, he says Combat is a program he grew up hearing about and one he's ready to help.
I think my role is to continue the legacy of not only listening to community, but ensuring that these resources go to the places that have the most impact.
Woodard spent years in philanthropy and community engagement. He says his focus will be listening and making sure funding follows the data.
I think it's important for us to see which organizations are having the most impact. There's also organizations that I think are most proximate to a lot of the issues in our community that might not have the resources or not have the capacity. And I think Combat could be an amazing tool.
In our community.
Prosecutor Melissa Johnson, who oversees Combat, says this appointment was one of the most important decisions of her first year.
I think he's going to build coalitions. He's going to invest more private dollars and combine them with our public dollars to expand our capacity and expand our reach.
Johnson says money and resources need to go to the right organizations.
That work, unfortunately, doesn't happen in the courtroom. It doesn't happen at the police department. It happens in our schools, in our homes, in our community, at our basketball courts, at our community centers, and that's where Combat sends resources.
They say their vision is clear: invest in organizations working every day to prevent crime before it happens.
How do we build a better Kansas City together? How do we build a better Jackson County, a safer Jackson County? And that's what I hope to hear from community as we build the future. Not my future, but their future.
Woodard will step into his new role in September. Live in Kansas City, Gianni Navarro, KCTV5 News.